Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Vinfast VF8. This four-door SUV has engine with all-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Vinfast is a great value with less than 17,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 82 miles per gallon in the city and 78 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.